Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the full setup of your Diveblast water chiller and ice bath. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and get everything running smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by ensuring your ice pod is placed on a flat, stable surface capable of supporting up to 700 pounds. Next, make sure you have access to a GFCI outlet for safety. Don't plug anything in just yet. We're just getting ready for setup. Step 2. Before powering the chiller, make sure it's upright and stable. Let it sit for 24 hours after transport to allow the refrigeration fluid to settle. Skipping this step could lead to chiller malfunction. Step 3. Position the chiller next to the valve and connector side of your ice bath. Secure the filter and pump rack to the side of the chiller using the provided screws. Ensure the rack is firmly attached for proper stability and functionality. Finally, plug the pump power cable into the back of the water chiller. Step 4. Connect the shorter hose to the bottom outlet of the chiller. Before attaching the connectors, make sure the white rubber seal ring is securely in place on the blue chiller outlet. This is crucial to prevent leaks. Then, take the end of the short hose and press it onto the filter. It's a tight fit to prevent leaks, so you may need to apply some pressure. Hold the back of the filter and pump for support while attaching. Step 5. Carefully connect the first long hose to the pump adapter. Be gentle during this step to avoid applying excessive pressure that might damage the pump. Next, secure the second long hose to the chiller's remaining outlet. Be sure the white rubber seal rings are positioned correctly before tightening. Step 6. Wrap the included white Teflon tape around the threads of both hose fitting connectors. Circle the tape 3 times to create a secure, leak-proof seal. Step 7. Securely attach the fitting connectors to the top and bottom valves of the ice bath. Ensure they are firmly tightened to create a secure and leak-proof connection. Step 8. Attach the hose connected to the pump to the bottom valve of the ice bath. Next, attach the other outlet hose from the chiller to the top valve of the ice bath. Don't forget to place the rubber seal rings in the connectors. Step 9. If you haven't already, now is the time to fill your ice bath with water. Just make sure the valves are in the closed position. Step 10. Once the water level reaches just above the top valve, open both. Double check that they are tightly secured by twisting them clockwise to prevent any leaks. Step 11. Before starting the chiller, always press the red button on top of the filter to release trapped air. If water comes out, don't worry, it's completely normal. Step 12. Plug in the chiller, then flip the red switch on the back to turn it on. The pump will activate and water will start circulating. Step 13. Now that everything is ready, it's time to set the desired temperature. First, press the set button once. Next, use the arrow buttons to adjust the temperature up or down to your desired setting. Finally, press the reset button once to save your selection. The chiller will now show the current water temperature and will begin cooling down to the set temperature. After approximately 2 to 5 minutes, you should hear the chiller's compressor start.